more tender there.
We'll go with that one. Lean back and look up.
Ooh.
There you go. Nice.
Oh, that was a good one. That's way better.
Alright, lay on your stomach. He's pretty even today.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's a little uncomfortable on the right though.
Sacrum's off a little bit on the left. Alright, lay with this side up.
Felt fine until I laid on my stomach.
Yeah, just a little bit. Alright. Back on your stomach. That was nice. There we go. Okay. Lay on your back. How's the sleeping been?
Pretty good lately.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh.
Alright.
That's a little tender.
Yeah.
Mmm. Ooh.
A little bit of your right hip. Alright, lay facing that way. That before you walk around and come back. Tell me it's a little tight. Because it is.
Feel it.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Way to get it. That's
Back on your stomach.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Good. And good.
Oh, that feels way better.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, let's have you stand up.
Okay.